Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And for my old subscribers, go on big up on yourself. So today I will be doing the top knot bun hairstyle, but this time I will be putting a little twist to it. So I will be doing it in the Mohawk version. So you don't know, your girl I gonna create some little style around here. Yes, so if you want to see the entire video and you want to see how I create this style, stay tuned and let's get into it. So I already went ahead and detangled my hair, moisturize it. So I'm going to section it in 3 parts horizontally using my rat tooth comb. So as you can see, my hair is secure in 3 parts in a bun. Now I'm going to start the process at the back and work my way up to the front. I already went ahead and secured the braids with the rubber band. Now it's time to wrap it around the bun. Watch closely as I begin the process of twisting these braids. I won't be using any bobby pin to secure this style. All I will be doing is twisting, joining, and then when I reach to the final one, I'm just going to secure it beneath the bun. Now we're on to the final bun, and we're going to repeat the same process as we did before. Twist, join, twist, and join. Oh my god, this is so easy, guys. Twist and join. Now, for some of us, we hate the whole process of the bobby pin, because trust me, I don't like bobby pins that much because it sticks you so hard in the scalp. And remember, I have no tolerance for headache, so your girl ain't trying to use no bobby pin. So I'm twisting and joining, and when I reach the final lap, I'm just going to secure beneath the bun. You know, Talie can complete her style without having 2 strands of braids dangling in the front of her face. So your girl is going to go through and add 2 strands of crochet braids, of course, just to make this style pop. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm loving this style. I'm rocking this style. I'm coming through on this style, and let me tell you, I'm feeling me. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.